Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's the most wonderful time of the year. I'm excited to share with you my favorite festive lights displays. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Join me as I explore the most festive and fun holiday lights in display. If you enjoy watching Christmas lights, stay until the end. There was so many people, everybody was coming to Bowmanville because there were so many houses decorated and they look so good. There was more than 50 houses decorated for the time of the year. Everybody was driving around and looking at all the houses. The location is Old Scugog and it's in Bowmanville. All of these houses were decorated since December too. I recommend you to come with your family because it's so pretty and it looks way better than camera. I wanted to get out the car so I could look at them, but there were so many cars behind us and we couldn't stop. They had lights up around the whole house almost. After seeing one decorated house, we would see another one right after. Almost all the houses were decorated. Guys, look at this house. All the trees are covered in LED lights and they're white lights. This one was really pretty because it looked neon everywhere. And this one looks so cool. And as I said, after passing one house, there's multiple houses decorated. I barely saw houses that were not decorated. And all of these houses had effort in the decorations and they were really pretty. I like this house a lot because it was decorated everywhere. And guys, look at these decorations. It's Santa with his reindeers. Guys, look how pretty this house is. It has so many decorations up. The trees are covered with LED lights and it has reindeers and a gift box and Mickey and Minnie Mouse. There was so many decorations in this one. This one was probably one of my favorites. It was so pretty. Guys, look at this incredible display. The owners have really done a good job on decorating. As we drive through this neighborhood, you'll notice that each house has its own unique theme and style. This community is known for its holiday spirit, and it's amazing to see how everyone comes together to create such a magical theme. As a kid, I always loved driving around to see the holiday lights with my family. It's a tradition I continue to this day, and I'm excited to share it with you guys. And guys, look, there was multiple cars coming out this house because this one was decorated so well. Everybody was enjoying looking at the decorated houses and I was as well. This is my first time in Canada seeing houses so many decorated. I've been looking forward to this video all year because the decorations are so pretty. And they always come once a year. So make sure you go out with your family and check them out. And we stayed all night looking at these because there was winter holiday break. So that means there's 2 weeks off of school. Which display is your favorite so far? Let me know in the comments below. If you're feeling inspired, share your own holiday decorations, traditions, or favorite light displays in the comments. Guys, this one had a big candy cane LED light up. And reindeers and so many candy canes. I like these houses because they look like they were matching. I really loved every single decoration because they were all unique and special. And all so pretty. And then I came out the car to show you guys this one. I really like this one because it had white lights and so many rainbow colors. It was so colorful. Stay tuned for my next video. I'll be exploring more festive houses. Join me next time as I discover more of the most best holiday lights. If you like this video, be sure to comment and subscribe for more holiday content.